What's good, people? This your boy Cincy, aka Mr. Good Vibes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. I'm excited about two things today. First of all, we finally hit 100 subs on my YouTube page today. As you can see, we have 110 subscribers, and I have posted 113 videos. It's almost as if for every video I post, I get one new subscriber. So for me, I'm very thankful for that. I give God the glory for that. And the second thing is the fact that crypto currently is down. Crypto is falling. That's why I'm excited. And the reason why I'm excited because crypto is falling is because I've been looking at some certain cryptocurrencies that I want to buy, but I felt like they were a little bit too overpriced, so I did not get into them early. So I was a little bit patient waiting for that pullback, and I think this opportunity might be the one that I'm looking for. And everybody out there who is looking for any opportunity to get into this crypto game, this might also be the right time. Again, without being said, I just want to take this time to also ask you how you're doing, how's everything going. Hope your health is good, hope you're staying safe, you're trading safe, everything is going good for you. And I pray the Lord Almighty will continue to protect and guide you in the mighty name of Jesus. Now, with that being said, we're going to start taking a dive into my charts and talking about some of the crypto opportunities that we see today with respect to the current drop that we're seeing in the cryptocurrency market. Now, like I said, I finally hit 100 subs. I'm excited about this. I actually did not realize what I was getting myself into when I decided to start my own YouTube page, but I'm actually glad that I did, and I'm actually excited that the journey is going okay. And again, it's all about you setting your own personal goals. You don't necessarily have to compare your own numbers with somebody else or compare what you're trying to go with somebody else. It's always all about your own journey. For me, 100 subs is a big deal. For some people, it might be like, what? But for me, it's a big deal. It's a journey, and the fact that I'm able to do it organically and people are actually joining because they're interested in what I'm offering them, it's pretty good. And this my page is going to be offering you different ways to trade. When it comes to forex, when it comes to stocks, when it comes to cryptocurrency, and my algorithm has actually allowed me to be able to explore this adaptability. This allows me to be able to jump from one market to the other. That's one of the good things about the algorithm that I'm currently using. So with that being said, you can see this is the crypto bars for the week. You can see we are currently having we're having our first red week after trading for about 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks consecutively of green candles for Bitcoin. Again, this is the weekly candle, and each candle represents Monday to Friday. Remember that. So we're having our first red candle. You can see we're pulling back down to some of our previous levels, which acted as resistance. And I'm beginning to look at Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin might still pull down all the way to this 90k level, and maybe even pull all the way down to 87, 88. And if it pulls down to that level, I'll definitely be buying more at that level. As a matter of fact, I first bought Bitcoin at 66, I think 64k. That's when I first started buying it, when I saw it on my signal, and I put out the alert. And as we got close to that 99,000 level, I sold some of my Bitcoin as I like to swing it, and now I'm looking for it to pull back, and it's a good opportunity. So let me quickly go into cryptobubbles.net. This is a website that I realized a lot of crypto YouTubers use, and I like it because you can easily come here and sort things by market cap, and you can see what cryptos are actually leading the market with respect to market cap. So for those of you who don't know, market cap pretty much means the amount of money that have been invested in this particular crypto. So you can see Bitcoin leads the way at a market cap of $1.82 trillion. It means $1.82 trillion is currently being put into the Bitcoin market. So if you're looking for an opportunity to buy, even if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, if this is your first time that you're trading, I would advise you to go into this website, cryptobubbles.net, and pretty much sort things out by market cap. Then you would know the most popular cryptocurrency to buy or where most of the money are. And from there, you can now start making your own decision on what you want to buy. For me, I always look for the top 20 or top 25 or top 30. That's always a good range to start. And once you know what your top 30s are, the next thing you want to do is come here and just sort out by the week. If you sort out by the week, you want to go by the ones that are falling the most. You can see for the week, we have a Peanut, the squirrel. You know, so again, a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. Popcat, this has dropped 40%. This one has dropped 32%. Bonk is actually one of the most famous meme coins out there right now. Dropped 26%. Pepe coin is actually one that I'm actually currently in. I like Pepe. You can see Pepe is currently number 19. Number 19 means it's very, very popular, so I like that. So it's dipped about 15%. This might be a good one that we want to take a look at. So we're going to be looking at Pepe today. Another one that I'm going to be looking at, you can see Sui is number 17. That's a very good number, very popular. You know, you can see it's dropped about 11.4% for the week. And let's keep going. You can see Solana now. Solana is what I'm going to be talking about very, very more importantly today. You can see Solana is number 4 in market cap, and you can see it's dropped about 6.8% for the week. And Dogecoin number 7, it's dropped about 6.2% as well. And Shibainu as well, number 13, it's dropped about 5.6%, which is another one that I bought the day I bought Pepe coin. So I'm going to be looking at all these coins and trying to see what they are saying versus my analysis, and if these are going to be potential good buys for now with respect to what's going on in the market. So the first one that I'm going to be taking a look at, I'm just going to go in alphabetical order. In this case, is going to be Doge. Let's look at Doge. Let's start with Doge. So let's start with Doge. So you can see with Doge, again, for those of you who are just joining me, again, I want to thank those of you who are just joining me, my new subs. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you guys joining me. And as you guys join this page, you're definitely going to help me, grow this page and reach out to more people who are interested in content like this. So thank you so much. God bless you as you join. And again, now, so with Dogecoin, for those of you who are joining, the first thing I always look at is my primary indicators on my chart. I always look at my green arrow and B sign, which indicates a buy. The green arrow indicates a direction to the upside. So you can see Dogecoin is still telling me the directions to the upside. Then I look at my moving averages or my baseline, which is typically this green line and the yellow line. And you can see Doge, as a matter of fact, has dropped quite a lot, and it's about how many percent from my first moving average? So it's about 14% from my first moving average, as I like to use my moving average as a support resistance, and it's about 22% from the green one. So I like to use these two moving averages, the green and the yellow line, as my support level. But you can see Doge has dropped quite a lot right now, so this might be a good place for those of us who are yet to buy Doge to start dollar cost averaging or start buying and start looking at things. And as it falls down back to this level, you definitely want to increase your number of position that you're buying. So if you look down below, I have my secondary indicators. The first one is a 2-line cross, and if you see the green above the red, that indicates a buy. There's no more, no less to that. Very simple. The second one is a 0-line cross. You can see this is the 0 line. And if the signal line, which is this green line, is above the 0 line, then that is a buy. If the signal line is below the 0 line, then that will be more of a sell. So you can see we currently have a buy signal. And the second one is my indicator that it just indicates, from red to green. If it's red, then it's a sell. Then if it goes to green, then it's more of a buy. Then also these two levels always tend to act as a support and resistance. So you can see Doge is kind of like ranging around that support level. Maybe that's which explains why we're kind of like seeing some pullbacks in that currency. The next one is my signal, my 0 line. My 0 line indicator, you can see my purple line is my signal line, and it's above my 0 line, and also between my upper level and my 0 line. So that is definitely a buy signal or a bullish signal for Doge coin as well. And my final indicator is this 2-line cross. You can see the green is above the red. That indicates a buy. You can see we actually had our buy signal right there. Good separation between the two. I like that, indicating a buy. So this is definitely one that I'm still kind of like watching, and I'm hoping to add more to this as we fall or pull back down. The next one you want to watch is definitely Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely one that I love. I spoke about this when I was talking about my last video, and I like Ethereum. You can see Ethereum is currently pulling back, as we found a resistance at this 3,005 level. You can see it's also above, the price is above my baseline. I want my price to always be above my baseline whenever I'm looking, whenever I'm going to the upside. You see I have my B sign and my green arrow. And if you look at my secondary indicators below, you can see that they are all indicating a buy signal. Green above the red, that is a buy or a bullish signal. You can see that my zero line, signal line, is above my zero line. That is a bullish signal. You can see for this indicator, I have my green line, sorry, I have my green bars with respect to the red. Whenever you see green, then that is a buy or a bullish signal. You can see we also have a lot of room to go before we hit that resistance line. Another one is my other signal line. You can see I'm between my upper level and my zero line, and that is a bullish signal. That is a buy. We like that. And the other one is my two-line cross. You can see my two-line cross. We have that crossover that happened, which is my bullish signal. You can see green is above the red. That is also a buy signal for Ethereum. So Ethereum is still a buy. We like Ethereum. And so let's quickly jump down to Solana, because there's always a little bit of competition between Solana and Ethereum. So if you look at Solana, you can see Solana is currently at 227. So Solana actually currently traded close to that baseline. So I can see I was actually a buyer of Solana at around that 221, 222 level, as I believe that was a very, very good place to start buying Solana, as Solana hit resistance at 267 and fall back to that yellow baseline. So you can see that is a good place to start buying, and as we drop further down to that green level, I will continue to buy at that level. Now the good thing is about my indicator is that we do not want the price to trade below this baseline, because that baseline acts as a support level for us, and anything between below that baseline would tend to indicate more of a bearish signal. But you can see everything still looks bullish. As a matter of fact, I also see a trend line here that touches all these previous tops, so we can see that Solana is trading above that trend line. So that's also a very good bullish indication. And if you look at below, you can see that all the secondary indicators are also bullish. You can see green is above the red. That is a buy or a bullish signal. You can see the signal is above my zero line. That is a buy or a bullish signal. You can also see we have the green is the current color. That is a buy. And you can also see my signal line, it's between my upper and my middle. That is definitely a buy for Solana. And you can see that the second two-line cross, you can see we had our crossover right there, and the green is above the red. That is also a buy signal. So you can see that for me, it doesn't really matter whether it's Ethereum or Solana. I like the technical analysis for both, and as they're both pulling back, I'm definitely going to be adding more to that. As a matter of fact, I added more to my Solana today. I've actually stopped buying the Ethereum for now, as I was a buyer of Ethereum around that 2800 level. I don't see any point of me adding more to my Ethereum, as I believe Ethereum is going to be going back to 4K, and once we get to that $4,000 level, that was where I'm going to start taking some profit. And as we go back to the all-time high, I'll definitely take some more profit from there. And then again, I'm going to be watching Solana for now, and I'm definitely going to be buying more as we drop closer to that moving average. Shiba Inu is also another one that I like. You can see Shiba Inu is currently touching that moving average. We like that. That is always a place of support. For me, that's where I like to buy. You can see we still have our buy signal and our green arrow indicating that Shiba Inu is still going to the top side. I also put a trend line from the previous tops, two previous tops, and you can see Shiba Inu is trading below that trend line, and we need Shiba Inu to actually trade above that trend line in order for us to take it seriously as more of a super bullish trend. But currently it's still looking bullish. We like that because our indicators are still telling us that it's bullish. As a matter of fact, if you look at the secondary indicators below, you can see that the first one, you can see the green is above the red. That is definitely a buy. And the second one, you can see that the green signal line is above my signal line, yes, is above my white line, which is my zero line. That is definitely a bullish signal or a buy signal. And you can see the current color for this indicator is green. We like that. We've gone from red to green. That's always what we want to see it. We like that. That is bullish. You can see for this signal line, we are between the upper line and the middle line, which is the zero line. That is definitely a bullish signal, as to if we're to see it between the middle line and the lower line. And the final one is definitely my two-line cross. You can see we had our crossover right there, which is a buy signal. This is going to be more of a sell signal crossover because of the red above the green, but now you see the green above the red. That is now more of a buy signal for Shiba. We like Shiba. We are holding Shiba currently. As a matter of fact, I bought more as we hit that support line, as I believe that Shiba will definitely be bouncing up, and as we break this turquoise color resistance level, which is the point 030 or 30 level, then we're definitely going to be touching this white resistance level as well, which is all actually about a 2x move from that point. If I was to measure it, let me see. You can see, yep, that's about what, yep, sorry, a 1x move, 100. That's about 100% move from that point. And you can see, oh, actually, there's actually another all-time high level for Shiba right there. If I move it upwards to the top, you can see that's about 265% move from our current level of where Shiba is currently is. So this is definitely a good opportunity for those that are looking for something to buy in this market. Don't play yourself right now. The market is still pretty good. A healthy pullback is always good for any market, regardless of crypto. You can see Pepe coin is down about 7%. As a matter of fact, Pepe is actually my least position in all the meme coins currently. You can see it's down today, but you can see it's getting close to that moving average, and I'm definitely going to look for it. I'm definitely going to be looking at it. If it comes down close to that number, I'll definitely be adding at that level to what I currently own, as I believe Pepe is definitely going to go back and test this all-time high level, this former resistance of 025. Then once it breaks that, it's definitely going to be going up from there again. So a lot of opportunities in the market for us to buy. I go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. BTC. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin is down 1.35%. Again, I'm watching Bitcoin. I'm going to be watching it closely and see. I don't know, as Bitcoin continues to drop, then obviously you expect those meme coins and those other altcoins or stable coins to drop as well. So don't be surprised. Just make sure that you're watching your game plan. You're sticking to it. You're not over trading. You're not buying what you cannot stomach. Making sure your losses are kind of within your risk appetite. Again, a pullback is always good for the market. Do not let the market shake you. Well, again, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm going to be doing. And that's my own disclaimer. I'm definitely going to remind more as we fall down into this market. The crypto market is here to stay. The Trump administration is definitely pro crypto, and you can see a lot of all the appointees for all these key positions in his cabinet. They are all very, very crypto savvy people and crypto minded people. So they're definitely going to be supporting this cryptocurrency push, and I expect a lot of move in all these cryptocurrency coins towards the end of this year and going into next year. Again, this is your boy Cincy, aka Mystic Vibes. And listen, I'm so excited about my new number of subs, and I pray that I will continue to grow this page. I'm so excited. I thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. All the likes, all the support, all the sharing. I see everything. I see all the comments. So I thank you guys for doing that for me, man. And let's just make sure we grow this page together and also make some small money together. All right, man. Thank you guys. Peace and love, man. It's your boy Cincy, aka Mr. Goodvibes, and let's make some more small money together.